In round 12, work 1 chain stitch and a set of 1 single crochet, 1 decrease twice with main color yarn. Then work set of 1 single crochet, 1 decrease for 5 times with white yarn. Then work 1 single crochet, 1 decrease and 1 slip stitch with main color yarn. Work 1 chain stitch first. The first set, work 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. The second set, work 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. 1 single crochet. Next, 1 decrease. Insert hook into next stitch, yarn hook and pull up loop. We'll change yarn. Insert hook into next stitch, yarn hook and pull up loop. Change to white yarn to finish this decrease. White yarn hook and pull through all 3 loops. The second set is done. Then work the set of 1 single crochet, 1 decrease for 5 times with white yarn. Please finish sets 5 to 6 by yourself. Now the 7th set. After 1 single crochet, work 1 decrease. Insert hook into next stitch. White yarn hook and pull up loop. Insert hook into next stitch. Main color yarn hook and pull up loop. There are 3 loops on hook now. Yarn hook and pull through all 3 loops on hook. 1 decrease is done. The yarn change is done. Seven sets are done. The 8th set. 1 single crochet, 1 decrease. Eight sets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 12 is done. Stretch the loop. Stuff the fabric with fabric fill. Please finish the step by yourself. After stuffing, let's continue to crochet. In round 13, work 1 chain stitch and 2 decreases with main color yarn. Then work 5 decreases with white yarn. Then work 1 decrease and 1 slip stitch with main color yarn. Let's start. Work 1 chain stitch first. Okay. Then work 2 decreases. Mark the first stitch. Change yarn and the second decrease. Insert hook into next stitch. Yarn hook and pull up loop. Insert hook into next stitch. Yarn hook and pull up loop. There are 3 loops on hook now. Change yarn, white yarn hook, and pull through all 3 loops on hook. The second decrease is done. The yarn change is done. Then work 5 decreases with white yarn. Remember, change yarn and the 5th decrease. Change to main color yarn. Main color yarn hook and pull through all 3 loops. Then work 1 decrease with main color yarn. Eight decreases are done. Remove the marker. And work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch. Round 13 is done. In round 14, work 1 chain stitch and decrease with main color yarn. Then work 2 decreases with white yarn. Then work 1 decrease and 1 snip stitch with main color yarn. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 1 decrease with main color yarn. Also change yarn into this stitch. Yarn change is done. Mark the first stitch. Then work 2 decreases with white yarn. Change yarn and the second decrease. Then work 1 decrease with main color yarn. Remove the marker. And work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch. Round 14 is done. Stretch the loop. Break yarns. Pull the main yarn tail out. Use a yarn needle to conceal the wet yarn tail, like this. Cut off excess end. Okay, the head is completed.